Hello, cherished viewers. Welcome back to Sandy Home Recipe. Mama ko aba Sandy Home Recipe. Send the kind I will share a video. Remember room to subscribe. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. May the good Lord bless you all. You said them prepare me garden soil for planting. A baby kind a you rubber ni enwiana was no nyina den every so. Weye emra me yi ni nyina den every so esan eclair so. Weye me kadam enna me begu asase de so. We beboa ama vegetables ni den enyi fefefe. Se o mpe we nso abetime use fertilizer na wo pe no ene na wo be use. Uwi ana wo da kogu asase na bedua enema ne wo so no. Eti de mu hu ni nyina me de eden egu so. Bedigus no me twen 2 days ama ewo kakra. After 2 days no ana de machine e mix ene anwea ni nyina. Sane mu hu no. We first layer, we are befa so 3 times. And sana benya star eden open no. Ti de mu hu no second one aye de eden esa fa so biem. Please, if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and also click the bell icon to get new video we will post. Se woni machine wi a, wo betime de shovel eden, afuntu asase no. Wo na osanda eden a level. Aha no ye de machine afa so nyina eden awie. Wo wi a no wa level ni nyina. Ansa na echire no wo de rubber na ede abese so na wa start adua enema no. Yep macho send the kan a wo hwe video a memma rave subscribe na wa share na wa like na wa mia notification bell no say the video bia beto a wo side ebeka. Now this is how I prepare my garden soil for planting vegetable. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.